Last week a paper came out where we have published a consensus on the use of MAP kinase inhibitors in ACH and other diseases that are driven by the MAP kinase pathway. It was done with pediatric oncologists together with people from the industry, but also regulatory bodies like the EMA and the FDA, and also with different people from parents' organizations, so that we could all the different stakeholders could work on starting a new drug protocol for the treatment of LCH. LCH, for instance, but also some brain tumors like high and low grade gliomas are all driven by MAP kinase pathway, so they all have a mutation in this pathway, and there are inhibitors available, but just for adults because it's often mutated, for example in melanoma. But for LCH in children there's nothing. We still treat children with the inhibitors because they're very efficient, but of course this is all off-label, and it would be much better if we could have a formal protocol where we develop a formulation that we can use for children with LCH.